not gonna touch grass. No, I'm not gonna touch some grass.
Why?
Everyone says I need to touch grass. I see many greens. Wait. Your challenge is speak Tagalog because you just know a little bit.
Opo.
Say opo,
Where
always
are
okay. Say opo, always okay. This is the airport.
Ay, tanong mo nga tayo, sir.
Guess what? Don't tell Lolo and we're here now.
Uy, gamit.
I'll get it again. I'm gonna get it. Ah, so heavy. Do they know where we're going? Lola, do you know where we're going?
No!
Sorry. I already told Ate. What?
Oh, ang daming backpacks. Tayo ng mga backpack.
Where's Tito Bok?
Guys, sir. Ito kayo lang lagay yan, no?
Dalawang backpack. Dito na yung gabi.
Ow!
Ano, ready na?
Yan nga.
Ready! Alam naman ni
Look at the camera! Hello! Camera 2, camera.
Oh, yan.
Kay Bok yan. Bok yan.
Ito yung bracelet mo.
Saka tayo, roller coaster.
Bye, guys.